Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a teacher looking for a simple yet creative way to make worksheets for your students, today's tutorial is just for you. We're going to walk through how to create a custom worksheet in Canva from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, personalize, and export a worksheet that fits your classroom needs, all in just a few easy steps. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva.com. You can do this on your computer or even a tablet. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a free design platform that's incredibly popular among educators for its ease of use and tons of handy templates. So just go to your web browser and type in Canva.com, and if you don't have an account yet, it only takes a minute to sign up. Once you're logged in, look for the big Create a Design button. Usually, it's right up at the top or along the left sidebar. Go ahead and click that. Now in the search bar that appears, type the word Worksheet. This is a great little shortcut that instantly brings up hundreds of ready-to-use worksheet templates tailored for different subjects and grade levels. It's a real time saver compared to starting from a blank page. Now comes one of my favorite parts, choosing your template. Take a moment to browse through the options. I recommend thinking about your lesson's theme and the age group you're teaching. You'll see templates for math, reading, science, and even more niche topics. There's no rush here, so feel free to scroll until you spot one that matches your vision or, at the very least, has a layout that appeals to you. For example, you might notice some templates are colorful and playful for younger kids, while others look a bit more structured for older students. Once you've found the one, click it and Canva will open it for you in the editor. Now it's time to make it your own. Almost every element on the page is customizable. You can click on text boxes to change the questions to suit your lesson, replace images with your own, or drag and drop new shapes, icons, or lines as needed. If you want to change colors to match your school branding or add your class's name at the top, you can do that too. Don't worry if your first edit isn't perfect. Canva automatically saves your progress, so you can tweak things and come back later if you need to. For instance, maybe the template has a space for 5 math problems, but you only need 3. Just delete the extras or copy and paste more if you'd like to expand. If you ever feel stuck on what to include, try to imagine how your students will use this worksheet in the classroom. Thinking from their perspective can really help guide your edits. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you're happy with your worksheet, just hit the download button in the corner. You can save it as a PDF for easy printing or as a PNG if you want to post it digitally. So there you have it, a quick, creative way to design worksheets that actually suit your teaching style. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Canva ideas, leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.